During today's therapy session, we have a lady named Bernice. Bernice is 48 years old and she had an embolic stroke that occurred September 30th, 2015. Bernie was out walking her dog when she collapsed to the ground, unable to move her right side. The neighbors saw and called 911 immediately. When paramedics arrived to the scene, she was unable to speak and did not know what was going on. Once arriving to the hospital, Bernie received a CT scan. They recognized the stroke and was immediately taken to a bigger hospital to receive better care. Bernie was diagnosed with Broca's aphasia and demonstrates a mild apraxia as well as right visual neglect. The type of therapy being used in today's session is an expressive anomia therapy. We made Bernie an object box full of everyday essential items, including an orange, a spoon, a cup, a straw, and a phone. We will start by showing Bernie the object and using a few different types of cueing methods to determine if she will be able to come up with the word on her own. And notice, the clinician has to show the patient the object on her left side due to the right side visual neglect. Starting off, Bernie is shown in orange, and the clinician will give her different open-ended phrases and Bernie must fill them in.
Can you see the object?
Yes.
An apple and it's a type of fruit. Orange. Very good.
With the next object, Bernie will be shown a spoon, and again be given the open-ended phrase cueing.
Can you see the object?
Yes.
A fork and orange. Nice try. Let's try again. A fork and orange.
Notice that the patient is perseverating on the previous object. Therefore, she will need to be given an additional cue of phonemic cueing.
You eat soup with a spoon.
Spoon.
Very good.
For the final object in the box, Bernie will work on a more difficult technique, circumlocution. This method is used when the clinician is not present, so the patient must learn how to find the word on their own in their everyday life.
Can you see the object?
Yes.
Can you tell me what it is?
You drink.
Yes. What else? Hot. It can be.
Cold.
Yes. What else?
A cup.
Very good.
Once Bernie masters therapy using objects, she will move on to photographs, which tend to be harder than the concrete items. Expressive anomic therapy is one of the many therapies used to treat Broca's aphasia. And then that ends today's therapy session.